Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anna from Keypad International Limited. Today we are tearing down a common fan remote with Silicone keypads. If you have the physical product but no design drawings, just send us the holding, the top and bottom, and the PCB. We will take care of the rest. After disassembly, the inside is very simple, a PCB and a silicone keypad. We offer for customization on your needs. Here are two options. One, if you have drawers, send us 3D files or 2D drawers, we will start toning directly. Two, if you don't have the drawers, send us a physical product, including product share, top and the bottom, to confirm keypad height and placement, and the PCB to confirm contact points and the conductive pad alignment. Once we receive the sample, we will customization the keypad operating force, the height and the travel, and the conductive pad position and type. Silicone keypads hardness and the structure and the corner. Sample ready within 1 week after design confirmation. Are you developing a remote industrial controller or any Silicone keypads product? Contact us for samples or technical products. Thank you for watching. See you next time.